Hi everyone, today I'm introducing a brand new electric air pump. Once you open our box, inside you will find the air hose with attachments. You will find the manual to show you how to understand the pump. You will find the seal rings and you will find the air pump itself. Now we're going to look at the main uses of our product. Our colors are teal and orange and the shape is just like a manta ray. On the front we have the LCD screen and our 4 main control buttons. Once we flip it over, you can see this is the power on and off switch. We have the sand nets here for protecting against the sand. Over in this little pouch here we have our USB Type-C charging cable. Over here we have the carry handle. Here is the inflation inlet, which is for the attachment of the hose. And on this side here, we have the inlet for charging with the Type-C USB charging cable. And these 4 lights here will tell you how much battery life you have left. Next, we're going to look at the hose and I'll show you how to attach it. So the adapter goes to the pump like so. And as you can see, the pipe is not moving, so it's very, very easy. And at the end here, we have several taps. This air tap is for our inflatable paddle boards. And you just attach it like so. And these extra taps are for any other inflatable products that you may have at home. Now we're going to look at inflating our paddleboard. First, we will open the valve like so. And then we get our connector from the pump, place it in and twist. And that's it, connected. So you flip it over and you see the main power switch. You turn that on and you get the lights to show you how much battery life you have left. And at the top, you can switch between PSI and bar. Today we're using PSI for this board. Our recommended is 12. So to get there, we press the up button. And if you long press, it will get you there faster, just like so. Okay, so now we are at 12 to inflate our board. We press the power button here. Using the pump for around 10 minutes should fully inflate your paddle board. Now, we also have another type, which is for use in your car for charging it up. And the pump is easy to carry and easy to use, which will help you to paddle to adventure.